Hi there, hi parents, hi kids. Hey, it's me Peter, and are you ready for our story? Today is Pete, the cat too cool for school. This one is very nice one. Okay, and now here we go. By Kimberly and James Dean. Right. Ooh. Pete wants to look cool. He asks everyone, "What should I wear?" "Wear your yellow shirt," his mom says. "It is my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear your red shirt," his Marty says. "It is my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear your blue shirt," his brother Bob says. "It is my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear your long pants," his teacher says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear the shorts with the fish," Pete's friend Callie says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear the polka dot socks," the bus driver says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear the cowboy boots," Grumpy Toad says. "They're my favorite." So Pete does. It looks silly, right? "Wear the tie with the stripes," Elma says. "It is my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear your baseball hat," his coach says. "It is my favorite." So Pete does. Pete puts on all the clothes. Does it look cool? No, Pete looks silly. He also feels hot. Pete goes home. He changes his clothes. Pete puts on his favorite shirt. Pete puts on his favorite pants. Pete puts on his favorite socks. Pete puts on his favorite shoes. And he puts on his sunglasses. Pete says, "Now I am cool." If you want to be cool, just be you. The end. Alright, so that is the end of our lesson. Bye-bye.